Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Hummer H2, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys step by step on how to remove the complete headliner on the Hummer. And you don't need any special tools for this, just a couple of screwdrivers, some Torx bits, and you also are going to be needing a pin pry tool. But if you don't have one, you could always use a fork from your kitchen, and that's what I'm going to be using in this video. So removing the door handle, there's these two nubs, and we're going to stick a screwdriver in between and start pulling them out. They aren't going to completely come out, they're just going to be pulled out, and once they're both evenly pulled out, you're going to just pull the handle and it'll come right out. And you're going to do the same thing with all the door handles around the car. For removing the dome lights in the trunk and the rear seats, there's a small little hole that we're going to pry open with a small screwdriver. The plastic is going to flap back, and then pull the housing down and unplug the cable. And you're going to do the same thing with the other dome light as well. And then remove any of these push pins that you see. There's quite a few of them on the headliner, and there's also a few hidden on the sides as well. And now for the B pillar, this big black pillar. To remove it, we're going to open this little cover. Again, using a small screwdriver, you're going to pry up the plastic piece. Once it's open, there's going to be a Torx screw right behind. We're going to remove that. And then you're going to remove the rubber sealing around both the front and the rear door. The rest of the pillar is held on with a couple more rivets and tabbing. You're going to just evenly pull it back. And the last thing left is the footwell light, and all you're going to do is maneuver it around and get it out of the way. And now I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. To remove the center front dome light, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. And in these two holes, you're going to stick the drill in and open both the screws. Again, the screws aren't going to completely come out, but you will know that the screws are open because the assembly is going to start flapping. And then you're going to pull it back and take it out, and then disconnect any wiring that's connected to it. Next, remove the sun visor lock, and also remove the molding that's going all the way around your sunroof. Once you do that, you're going to be able to pull a part of the headliner down, and it's going to reveal some Velcro straps. Now we're going to go to the back. We're going to remove the C pillar and the D pillar, and again, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to just pull patiently and evenly, and everything's going to just come right out. And as far as like the D pillar, there's a speaker on it, so there's going to be also a wire that needs to be removed with it. The only extra step you're going to have to take is on the driver's side. If you have a jack installed on the back seat, you're going to have to remove that first, which is held on with a couple bolts. And now with all these plastic trims off, the headliner is going to completely start falling down, but it's still not ready to remove. There's still a few wires and harnesses connected to it, so please look around and make sure everything is disconnected before you start pulling the headliner out of the car. And there you have it. With some time and patience, you will be able to remove your headliner completely out without destroying it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I'm going to be having a new video on how to install the star lighting on this Hummer H2. So I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.